Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download or install new applications or apps on your Samsung TV. So as you can see, this is the official website of samsung.com and they have added a support or help section. So let's go through it and check how can we do it. So here is like the different questions asked by the people. So they have answered all of them, like if you want to install an app, if you want to move an app, lock and unlock an app, delete an app, automatically update app icons. So these are the questions asked mostly by the people, so they have answered them. So our question is the first one, how when we can install an app. So just follow this step-by-step process. Press the home button on your remote control. The first thing is just press the home button on your remote. After that, just select apps and then select search icon on the top right corner. When you go to apps, you will have to find the search icon on the top right corner, and after that enter the app you want to download and select it. You'll see details about app as well as the screenshot and related apps. So let's say you want to download Netflix. So when you search Netflix, you will be able to see an interface like this install button and the application, the description and everything, the related apps. So just select install, tap to open the app, press the home button, simply highlight the app you want and select to open it. So it will take a few seconds to install. Once the installation process is completed, you will be able to see an option called install, like open instead of install. So just click on this option called open and you will be able to add new application into your Samsung TV. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can download or install new applications on Samsung TV.